Welcome back, Bears. I'm TJ reporting from the BTV studio. Today is Monday, March 6th, and it's celebration day for our Bears basketball team, Class 6A region champs. According to the Texas Basketball Coaches Association, our Bears basketball team was ranked 14th in state. Rankings did not seem to matter, as Kingston Fleming scored 13 points in the 57-43 win against the 4th-ranked Stony Point Tigers this past Friday. Our Bears remain undefeated in the playoffs and should move up in the rankings. On Saturday, their next matchup was against San Marcos Rattlers. Kingston lit up the scoreboard by dropping 31 points in the 82-54 win to secure the regional championship. Robert Jackson followed up with 14 points, and Camden Kogel scored 12 points. BF&D Bears basketball. Get out and cheer on our Bears as they compete in the state tournament in the Alamo Dome this Friday at 7 p.m. against the Baymount United Timberwolves. BF&D Bears. Waitable Lady Bears. Congrats to advancing to the Texas State playoffs after competing at regionals this past Sunday. Let's wish them well at state March 25th and 26th at Bandera Bowl. Also, kudos to our Bears track and field athletes at the Ron Faught relays this weekend. Highlights include Kyrie Wilson taking first place in the 110-meter hurdles and the 300-meter hurdles. Armando Acevedo tied his own record at 6 feet 8 inches in the high jump, and Makai Thompson took first place in the long jump after clearing 22.3 feet. Danielle Hernandez set the girls' school record in the 3,200-meter run with a time of 11 minutes and 39.28 seconds. And Kalia Leons continued her streak by breaking her own school record in the 800-meter run with a time of 2 minutes and 11.30 seconds and placing first. The Lady Bears 4x400-meter relay team with Katie Smith, Jalea Sims, Peyton Winninoff, and Kalia Leons placed second. Our Bears placed 7th overall, and our Lady Bears placed 8th. Great job. Let's also give a huge shout out to Axel Aguilar and Jonathan Aguilar for scoring goals, and Austin Quitta having 5 saves in our Bears soccer team 2-0 win versus the Stephen Falcons. Tomorrow, they face the Sotomayor Wildcats at 7 p.m. at Northside Field 1. BF&D Bears soccer. Also, congrats to Lady Bears soccer on your 3-0 win against the Stephen Lady Falcons. Jennifer Diederich scored 2 goals, and Chloe Granat scored 1, with Mia King and Brianna DeLuna each having 3 saves. Great job, ladies. Tomorrow they go up against Sotomayor Wildcats at 5 p.m. at Northside Field 1. BF&D Lady Bears. Sadly, our Lady Bears softball team lost to O'Connor Lady Panthers 5-2 this past Friday. Let's wish them luck tomorrow as they face the Warren Warriors at Northside Field 1 at 7 p.m. BF&D Lady Bears. Once more, congrats to our Symphonic Strings varsity and non-varsity orchestra who played the right notes and earned sweepstakes at the UIL competition on Wednesday. Also, our sub-non-varsity orchestra scored 1-2-2 on stage and 1-2-2 in sight reading. These are incredible ratings for a group attending UIL for the first time. Play on Symphonic Strings, and great job. Finally, Bears, once more, here's a huge shout out to our Special Education Olympians. They came in first place at our district Special Olympics. It's great seeing them lift the first place trophy. BF&D Special Olympians. Well, that's all we have for today. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. If you have any announcements for BTV, please email Mr. Cerna at fernando.cerna@nasd.net. I'm TJ, signing out from BTV. Remember, Bears, your success hinges heavily on a positive mindset, so stay engaged in your learning, and have a great Bears and BF&D Bears basketball.
This is a BTV production.